We've been asked to take this logarithmic expression and to expand it into separate logs, which means we can take these components that are inside the log, the a, the b, and the c, and we can break them out into separate logarithms. You can use the product rule that says if you have the log of a product, you can break it into a sum, and then we'll use the quotient rule that says if you have the log of a quotient, then you can break it into a difference. So what you end up with in that case is log base f of the square root of a, and then by the product rule, plus log base f of b cubed. And then since the c6 is on the bottom, we end up with minus log base f of c to the sixth. It has been expanded somewhat, but we also want to take these exponents that are on each of these components, and we want to use the exponent rule to get them down. There's also an exponent hidden on this a, because a square root is the same as a rational exponent. In fact, that is the same as log base f of a to the 1/2 power. If you've forgotten your rules of rational exponents, make sure you go back and review those so that you can get any of these radicals into rational exponent notation, so you can expand your logs fully. The other two, though, are already in a nice form, so I'm just going to recopy them the way they are. And then, finally, I'm going to use the exponent rule for logs that says you can basically take any kind of exponent that is on the argument of a log and move it in front of the logarithm, and it becomes multiplying by that logarithm. So I'm going to take all of these exponents and move them in front of the logs. And so what you end up with, finally, is 1/2 log base f of a plus 3 log base f of b minus 6 log base f of c. And so that's considered the expanded form. So note the two steps in order specifically are first to split up using the product and quotient rule, and then second to use the power rule to move the exponents down. If you were given this expression here and asked to condense it, you would want to reverse this process by popping all the exponents up, and then once they're up, then condensing it into a single logarithm. So you reverse the process in order as well when you're condensing. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.